No kuyanjete.
Thank you, Waziri. All right, thank you. Your Excellency, the Governor for Kisii County, Simba Arati, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, Mr. Elijah Bebo, honorable members of the County Assembly present. I've seen my friend El Moracha. Officers, directors, protocol observed, good afternoon. Well, my name is Dr. Agre Uruenyo. I'm privileged to work with the Kisii County government. I also serve as the Doctor's Secretary General, Nyanza Branch, KMPDU. I'm a consultant pharmacist specialized in pharmacoepidemiology and pharmacovigilance. I want to be as brief as possible, Your Excellency. With me, I know my chair is around. I'll give him some minutes to speak, but for me, I will be as brief as possible. So first, Your Excellency, I'm really happy to see your whole county government leadership here. That speaks volumes. It shows that yourself and your administration is keen in uplifting the health livelihoods, or rather the health of Kisii County denizens to higher level. So thank you for that, and we are really honored to see this. We have come a long way, Your Excellency. I remember all the way right from campaigns. As healthcare workers, we overwhelmingly supported you. And I know we have, it happens even in families. As your children, we have differed. Sometimes we have agreed to agree. Most often we have disagreed to agree. But the journey we have come, as a union, we are happy to report that we are making progress. And as the SG, maybe before I forget, usually it's the secretary who pronounces strikes and calls them off. I remember we had an engagement about that days ago, and we had suspended the strike, not called it off. But as we proceed further, I want to declare that our strike is now called off officially because of the tremendous progress we have made with regards to the welfare issues touching on our members. From my understanding is that the doctors, quite a number, are going to be promoted. I understand the process has not been completed. Some need to go through a different stage of interviews, which I know I've seen the CEO for the board around. I know the advert is going to be out. And the 30% remaining, I know there's a roadmap. We really pray that before we, or rather as we close the next financial year, the 30% are covered. Your Excellency, I want to thank your administration so much. All the officers, the ministers, the chief officers, I've seen a majority around. They have really been approachable and available, even on phone calls. That's to do with any consultative thing or follow-up as regards to my members' welfare. Finally, I want to express my special thanks to the DG. I know before he ascended as the DG, used to be the Chair County Public Service Board. He played a key role in helping us sort our differences. I know we had tough negotiations. During negotiations in between, he could pause and give us 5 minutes break. Then we could join and keep on negotiating. So thank you so much, Bwana DG. We look forward to having this harmonious working relationship. Finally, Your Excellency, Paul Simba Arati, I want also to thank your government and yourself, you in person. You have been very accommodative and understanding. I know in any jungle, who is the king of the jungle? The lion. And the lion sometimes, the antelopes can make noise, throw kicks backwards when they are dissatisfied. But Our Excellency, the governor, has been really very accommodative. And from where I sit, I really see that the issues we have with regard to our welfare as doctors are going to be taken care of. So thank you so much, Your Excellency. With those few remarks, allow me to welcome my chair, Dr. Steve Onyango Ndonga. 1 or 2. Asanteni.
Thank you very much. Honorable Governor, Kisii County, the DG, the CS, CEC Member of Health, esteemed colleagues, distinguished guests, Kwa majina naitwa Onyango Ndonga. Mimi mimi ndio mwenyekiti mimi ndio mwenyekiti wa KMPDU Nyanza. And kufikia hapo Kiswahili changu kimeisha, nitaingia kwa lugha ya Kimombo. So it is with immense gratitude and pleasure that we stand before you, Honorable Governor. This has been a very long journey. We are gathered here to honor and acknowledge the unwavering support that we have received from Kisii County. I will not be mincing my words if I say that we have seen leadership, and I am a very big fan of youthful and exuberant leadership. That is where we want to go as Kenyans. As a life member of ODM, I know who to vote for presidency. I know mimi ni kijana ya baba, akiniona mahali nimesema hivi, asikasirike sana. So first and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Governor Kisii County. Your steadfast dedication to solving healthcare workers' issues is immensely appreciated. Your leadership in Kisii County is an exemplar of deliberate and intentional efforts to sort out issues as they are brought to you. That is the kind of leadership that we want in our counties and in the whole nation. To the DG, the CEC member of health, and all the leadership in the Department of Health, your support has not gone unnoticed. We thank you very much. Kisii County stands as a beacon of hope in the Nyanza region. As we represent Nyanza region, once I want to say that Kisii County has shown the whole of Nyanza that you can actually balance welfare issues and service delivery. As we speak, Kisii County Referral Hospital is an example of modern healthcare service delivery in this region. And working at JOTRH, I have to say that we are a bit jealous. If you want more gynecologists, I think I will apply. As we move forward, we want to confirm that the strike doctors had called, that was very unnecessary. It only needed us to sit on one table and talk, has been indefinitely called off. And this gesture is a hope that in future we will not have industrial disharmony just because Oliver Twist asked for an extra piece of bread and the housemaster felt like this piece of bread, why don't we keep it or give it to the cat, or so to speak. So thank you very much, Honorable Governor. Madaktari, siturudi kazi, tuchape kazi tukingoja mazuri kutoka kwa Governor. Thank you.
Asante sana Bwana Ndonga. Orure ma ribogera mate gusiumu oje watamine gasingi atwakorire. Inu murira tugwancherana. Ancherana twakorire gasingi.